Hello, my name is Adam Ward and welcome to Crescat Search Verdict, the SEO show that takes the stand for law firms. Each week we deliver a clear ruling on what changed in search and what it means for law firms, and what to do next. No jargon, no waffle, just the verdict. Alright, let's get into it. We've got 3 updates this week that are worth your attention. First up, Google just announced a new spam policy targeting back button hijacking. Some websites, often low quality or spammy ones, are coded in a way that prevents users from hitting the back button normally. When using the back button, it traps you on the page or redirects you somewhere else. It's a user experience killer, and Google is now treating it as a spam violation. Starting June 15th, 2026, sites that do this could face manual penalties or automatic ranking demotions. What should your law firm's marketing team do? Honestly, reputable legal websites are unlikely to be doing this intentionally, but it can happen accidentally through certain pop-up plugins, chatbot widgets, or third-party tools that manipulate browser history in the background. Our recommendation? Have your web developer or agency do a quick audit. Open your browser, check a few pages, and just test the back button naturally. If anything feels off, flag it to your developer before June 15th. It's a quick check that could save you from an unexpected rankings drop. Next, Google has rolled out side-by-side AI mode on Chrome desktop. This means that now, when someone is searching in Google's AI mode and they click a link to a site, instead of leaving the AI chat, that website now opens alongside it, side by side. Why does that matter for your firm? Think about how a potential client searches for a lawyer. They may ask Google's AI something like, best personal injury solicitor in London. And now, when they click on your firm's website from the AI result, your site opens right next to the AI chat. They can bounce back and forth between your content and the AI summary without ever fully leaving Google's environment. The good news? Visits from AI mode now count as real page views, so your analytics will start capturing this traffic. The nudge for your team? Make sure your website's landing pages, especially your practice area pages, are written clearly enough to stand out on their own when someone is skimming them alongside an AI response. Think scannable headers, clear CTAs, and fast load times. First impressions are happening in half a screen now. And finally, this one is subtle but potentially significant for how competitive the legal space is online. Google has clarified that they may now use spam bot submissions to trigger manual actions against websites. Previously, spam reports were largely considered advisory. They fed into automated systems but weren't directly tied to manual penalties. Now, Google has confirmed that those reports could result in direct intervention. There's also an important detail here. If Google does act against a site based on a spam report, they'll share what the reporter wrote with the site owner to give context. What does this mean for law firms? Well, 2 things. Firstly, the legal space is highly competitive online, and unfortunately that sometimes means competitors or bad actors could file spam reports against your site. This is more reason to keep your own site clean, transparent, and fully compliant with Google's guidelines. Secondly, if you've ever noticed genuine spam or shady competitor tactics in your market, like fake reviews or keyword-stuffed doorway pages, this is now a more effective tool to report them. Alright, that's your search marketing update for this week. 3 stories all filtered through the lens of what actually matters for law firm marketing. As a quick recap, AI mode is evolving, make sure your web pages work well as a half-screen experience, check your site for the back button issues before June 15th, and keep your site clean, spam reports now carry more weight. If you find this helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next episode, and if there's a topic you'd like us to highlight, please drop it in the comments below. Until next time, I'm Adam Ward, keep your firm visible, and we'll see you in the next one.